So right now we're mile 730. The pre-run has been very long. It's our 5th day right now, but it's been super entertaining. As usual, this time I have a new co-driver, so I'm trying to learn a little bit the Baja system. It's very different from my system. Every time you come down, it's like a new time in Baja. It's pretty exciting.
We're halfway through our pre-run today in Valley T and having a couple tacos, and now we're going to head to San Felipe, and we're going to go beat up the car a little bit.